Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can edit saved passwords in Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and passwords. Now to edit one of the added ones, click on the chosen one and enter your current login method. Finally, tap on Edit button, make some changes, and when you're finished, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my Instagram password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!